Hey everybody, this is Andrew Contrino with Green Power Energy, and today I'm going to talk about solar service and why it's so important to consider service and warranty when it comes time to choose your solar installer. Now, regardless of what company you use or what products you use, the standard in the industry is that these systems are designed to last for 25 years. Green Power Energy offers a 10-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, and then we default to our manufacturer's warranties, which is why it's so important to us to choose only the best products from the best manufacturers. All of our inverters are warranted for 25 years. Our solar modules, like LG's Neon solar modules, are 25 years. Unirack flash lock, that's the piece that secures the roof penetration and seals it, that's 25 years as well. So when you're choosing an installer, understand that sometimes a little bit more money today actually saves you money in the long run. Even with companies that are more established, for example, be very clear with what the service protocols are. You might find yourself calling an 800 number and talking to someone overseas and getting a case number, and meanwhile it's taking weeks for your system to get fixed. Green Power Energy has been in business for 11 years. We have a full-time, dedicated service department. We're out there every day fixing systems. Now, that's not to say that we're out there every day fixing our own broken systems. A lot of times we're out there fixing systems from other companies that went out of business. And people call us and they can't get a hold of that company and they need us to service their inverter. And we have to charge them for that. And that ends up costing them money. So try to make sure that you get it right the first time. Look at reviews, look how long they've been in business, and really ask them what's your commitment to service, because it can be one of the most important things to make sure that your system is generating clean solar energy for 20 plus years. For Green Power Energy, this is Andrew Contrino. Thanks again for listening.